it is the subject. Is a joy forever is the predicate. Got it? Yes, ma. So again, I'll repeat. See, there is a verb. Normally, all verbs are infinitive. See, jump means to jump. From to jump, we get what? Jump, jumps, jumped. Okay? Will jump. Now, like that, from to be, we'll have is, was, are, and am. So we'll say, I am.
Are and
Yes, huh?
what you
Is,
said is,
is,
was, are.
was, are, am, and were. W-E-R-E. Is, was, am, are, were. Got it, ma? For example, we say,
Yes,
I am a girl. You are a girl. He is a boy. She is a girl. We are girls or boys. We are children. Okay. Then you are. They are. Okay. It will come like that. So whenever I comes, you must say I am. I is you cannot say. You must say I am. I am. You are. He, she, it is. We are. You are. They are. This is how it will come for the verb to be. When I go to verbs, again I will repeat it. But since you get a doubt, and when I tell verb, a verb ending in ing is not considered as a verb. They are all infinite verbs. So I don't want to go deeply into that. But don't take verb ending. Yes, I am, you are, he, she, it is. Saroja,
Okay.
he, she, it is. We are, you are, they are. Remember this, okay? If you remember this, when you make a sentence, see many times you will say, "Ma'am, she eating, ma'am, she running." No, you cannot say like that. You must say she is eating, she is jumping, she is running. It is very, very important. Now the time is 4 o'clock. Can I start once more? Do you want me to do subject and predicate once more? By the way, first of all, I think you would have understood the 4 kinds of sentences. I'll just go a small recap with what all we did yesterday. Okay. Yesterday, I first told you all about the 4 kinds of sentences. What were the four kinds? Declarative or statement. Then the second one is imperative, interrogative, third is interrogative, and the fourth is exclamatory. Yes, ma'am? Anyone? Yes, Ritish Raj? Tell me, ma'am. Ritish Raj, open your
Madam,
mouth.
repeat. Madam, repeat again what you said.
Repeat. Okay. There are 4 kinds of sentences. One, a statement or a declarative sentence. 2, an imperative sentence. 3, interrogative sentence. And 4, exclamatory sentence. Now, what is a statement? Is what we normally just say ordinarily a sentence. I am a girl. She came to my house. All these are only statements. So it is called a statement or it is called a declarative sentence. Imperative sentence is a command or a request. A command, an order or a request. In an imperative sentence, we give an order. Stand up, sit down. So when we stress and asking them somebody that they have to do something, it is called an imperative sentence. Now, I said it is a command, an order, or a request. In a request, we normally use the word please. Please stand up. Please sit down. Okay. Then the third is an interrogative sentence which has a question mark. You put a question mark. Where are you going? What are you doing? Who is your best friend? So normally all interrogative sentences will be introduced by words like where, when, why, who, how. Okay, what? Okay, so what, when, where, who, how, and then what did I leave? what, when, where, how. So these when. Okay, these are the words which tell you that it is a question. So it's called an interrogative sentence. And finally, when, why. Saroja, you can put why. Okay, now and next the last one is an exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence will give you an extreme feeling of joy or sorrow. Alas, oh, how beautiful the sun is. Now, this all you can know only by the tone of your voice. So I think you would have understood the 4 kinds of sentences. As I already told, a sentence is a group of words which will have a subject and a predicate. A subject will have a noun or a pronoun, while as the predicate will have something to do with the verb. Now, what is a noun? A noun, I told you that day itself, is a naming word. A noun is a naming word. The name can be anything. The name of a person, the name of a place, the name of an animal, the name of a thing. All our names are called proper nouns. So, all nouns. Now, sometimes what happens, instead of going on using a noun, we use another word which is called a pronoun. For example, if I say Lakshmi is my sister, Lakshmi stays in my house with me, okay, something like that. Lakshmi is my sister. Lakshmi is my elder sister. Lakshmi studies in 4th standard. Can we go on using Lakshmi for everything? Yes, somebody has put she. Yes. Instead of going on using Lakshmi, we use the word she. So she is a pronoun. So what are the pronouns? Just basically I say because it is used, yes, it is used instead of a noun. The pronoun is used instead of a noun. So when I say, so in the subject, you'll have a noun or a pronoun. Now what are the pronouns? I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Okay, these are all called pronouns. Yes, he is my brother. But when will we use he is my brother? First we'll say Rama. Rama says with me, he is my brother. Instead of using the name again and again, we use a pronoun. So in a subject, she is my no, she is my sister. Someone has written, she is my brother. She is my sister. I, we, you, he, she, it. Okay. See, instead of going on, instead of a noun, you can use even a pronoun in a subject. For example, in the sentences I gave you, let me see if there is a pronoun somewhere. No. There are all only nouns. Okay. So, in a subject, you will have a noun or a pronoun. Then in the predicate, you will have something with the verb. Something, and it need not be only one word or 2 words. You can extend it. Okay, all are okay. Now can I go to something little more in sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll go to something more in sentences. Now I told you the 4 kinds of sentences. Okay, now there is another thing for 2 forms of sentences that is called affirmative and negative. There is affirmative and negative. Affirmative sentences are called yes sentences, Y-E-S. Okay, negative sentences are no answers. So for negative means you say no. For affirmative, you have yes. Okay, so when somebody asks you, are you coming to my house? You say how? Yes, I am coming to your house. Okay, you are answering the question in the affirmative. It is called affirmative. So affirmative means there you put the answer as yes. A negative sentence, are you coming to my house? No, I'm not coming to your house. I have some other work. You will say, no, today I cannot come. I have some other work. Okay, so affirmative, negative sentence will have no. Okay. Now, for example, here I'll just show you one example. We have a holiday today. Now I said yes, yes. So it is understood. We have a holiday.